India's mobile phone manufacturing doubled in value in fiscal year 2022, making it the world's second largest mobile phone manufacturer. In FY22, India manufactured 5,277 crore worth of mobile phones, up from 2,334 crore in FY21. Due to the production-linked incentive scheme, India is the second-largest mobile manufacturer in the world, Rajeev Chandrasekhar said. PLI offers eligible companies 4 to 6% incentive on mobile phones and electronic component sales for 5 years. The government has approved 16 companies to get benefits, 10 mobile phone manufacturers and 6 electronic component makers. According to Niti Aayog, India produced 30 crore mobile phones in 2020 to 21, up from 6 crore in 2014 to 15. Deloitte's estimate that smartphone demand in India will reach 40 crore in 2026, up from 30 crore in 2021. The advisory firm predicts that 5G will contribute 80% of the devices, 310 million units, by 2026. India's mobile phone imports fell 33% in FY22, according to CRISIL.